Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we are going to be taking a look at some new gear that Alta Labs sent me. So first and foremost, thank you Alta Labs for sending over some of your new stuff to play with. I replaced one item in here and then I added a couple others. So first things first, down here they sent over their rack mount accessory that holds either the control, the S8 POE switch, or the Route 10 router. So you can have any combination of the two in there. I have my control and my Route 10 router in there. And if you're wondering why that is not on the top of the rack with everything else, Alta up there on the top, this shelf right here that I have in here, right there, that cage nut is broken, so I can't get the shelf out. In order to put that up top with everything, I need to move my UNAS down, but I can't do that right now because that shelf is kind of stuck in that position. So until I can get the shelf out, I really can't move that down to kind of slide everything up because I need to move some stuff down. So that's the short story of it. I'll have to work on that another day just because I'm going to have to pull everything out and all that kind of stuff. Another thing is these are kind of a little too long now because I did move my switch up to add in the distribution switch right here. So that is the S12 distribution switch from Alta Labs. And then I also replaced my 24 POE switch with a 48 port POE switch. All 48 ports are POE powered. 32 of them are 1 gigabit, and then 16 of them are 2.5 gigabit. So that is why I have this one cable running all the way across over here. That is my computer in my wall outlet in my office. So it's connected to 2.5 gigabit. Everything else right now I only need to run at 1 gigabit. So that's why that's kind of strung across over there. Because everything in the patch panel is already kind of pre-done, because I didn't have 2.5 gigabits and all that kind of stuff beforehand, so the switch didn't really, switch placement didn't really matter then, but it does now, so I'll have to redo a couple of things. But that's what we're looking like. That's a little rack update for you guys right now. And then I have my Home Assistant server down there on the bottom, and my home, my Hue lights, the hub for those, as well as my Ring alarm and my cable modem right there for internet, and then of course the UNAS right there in the middle. So once I get this undone, I'm going to slide this down to here, so that will be down on the first level above the Home Assistant PC right there, and then I'm going to slide this down one, and I will be able to put the router and everything up here with the rest of the Alta Labs gear. So little update on that. That's what it's looking like right now. It's a little bit of a mess, but I wanted to get everything in here and just get it functional. Rather than, function over beauty right now is kind of what we're aiming for. But everything's working good, so I'm going to play around with it, try out that 2.5 gigabit. I have 2 gigabit internet, and then I also have, of course, my UNAS here with a 10 gig connection, so I'll be able to take full advantage of the 2.5 gig connection between my computer and my UNAS now, which is very nice because I actually store a lot of my stuff that I edit on the UNAS. So that's been working pretty well for me. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. And I'll link all this stuff in the description where you can pick it up. Most of it's going to be on Amazon. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and I'm happy to answer anything you have. Have a nice day.